Hi guys, welcome back to another daily chart analysis. Today we're going to talk about the BTC USD ETH USD chart and see how it's looking for the day, see what possible trades we could get in. So let's just get straight into the video, guys. If we remember where we left off yesterday, this is what we were saying. We were saying that when it breaks this line, what we're looking to see is for it to go to this level of resistance, do a small retrace, and then possibly hit this again, come back down, or hit this and break it, hit this resistance and break it. So this is what we were saying yesterday. As what we can see is going by the trend so far, and if we remember, the outcomes. Let's go on a 4 hour. If you remember the outcomes, it's still going according to outcome 2. It's going nicely, it's going directly in line with outcome 2. So this, the green line is outcome 2. So this is how it's looking on the 4 hours. Let's go back down to the hour. So what's possible from now is we want to see what happens between it's like it's going to be ranging between these two, between this support and this resistance. So it's going to be ranging between this support and this resistance. So we want to see what happens next. We could possibly see, as what we drew yesterday, this downturn to this level of support. We could see still coming down to this support, or what could be possibly happening right now is that it's finding a new level of resistance somewhere about here. Sorry, a new level of support somewhere here. So it could be possibly finding a new level of support right here, and then it's going to be trending to the upside. But I'm watching to see what's going to happen, because it hit this resistance, it came back down, it will try to go up again, came back down. It wasn't, the momentum wasn't strong enough to even touch the resistance a second time, so it's coming back down. So we want to see if it breaks this, then we want to see come and retest again right here. It breaks this, retest, and then go into the 17k. Or it could possibly, depends on the momentum it's coming back with, it could possibly just go straight to the 17k. However, I can't see going below this support line for now, because it's finding an extra level of support right now. So this is I would call this a minor level of support, and this is a major level of support as it stands right now. So my take on this is just to wait to see what's happening. If we see it breaks this level, then we could enter a possible sell position, scalp it for about 0.7%. good leverage, with good leverage you can bring back good returns. And if it breaks this level of resistance, so we can scalp it halfway if we want, just to be safe, or we can just scalp it all the way up and get a 2%, knowing that it's going to go to 17k. Bear in mind that there might be a pullback. The pullback, we might see our trade in red, because there might be a pullback. So if it goes up here, if it goes to about halfway, there might be a pullback coming back to this support line and then go up, or possibly it can even come down to this line right here and then go back up. So if we're going to enter right now, if we're going to enter just over this, we have to bear in mind that there could be a pullback. So what I would say is that wait to see what's happening. If it's going to break on the upside and close above and form a new candle above, then it's safe to say we can enter knowing that there would be a pullback, or we can just wait for a retest on this line of support, and if it doesn't break this line, then it's a bullish signal to 17k. So that's just what I'm seeing for the BTC chart for the day. Let's go to the ETH. Let's go to the ETH chart. Okay, and the ETH chart looks a bit more bullish than yesterday, but still a bit ranging. So we've got a triangle set up right now, off the previous high and the level of support right now. And the level of support right now, yes, so we want to see it could possibly break this neckline. So I can see a neckline forming here. could possibly break this neckline and come back down to this level of support. However, more realistically, I'm seeing this, this was a previous resistance, and now I'm seeing it's turning a level of support. So we want to see it break this this triangle right here. Want to see it break this triangle coming up to the 468 levels. The more it goes on, the longer it goes on, the more chance it's gonna be. It's going on 4 hour. So what I'm seeing is this is a level of support right here, and this is a new level of support, and it's actually breaking. It actually broke this level of support and found a new level up here, and this level kind of correspond over here as well. So what we want to see now, it's going to go, we want to see it go up to yeah, so what we want to see now, it's the new resistance line being at 4878, and that's not far off, because as what we can see, BTC is moving nicely, it's moving hard, it's flying up hard. Yesterday I think it was down at these levels. Was it down at these levels yesterday? Yeah, I think it was down at these levels yesterday, and then we saw a spike, because we were talking about breaking this level of support yesterday, and then we saw this spike, and then it hit a level of resistance here. And bear in mind, the ETH chart, ETH normally move with the BTC, but ETH hasn't been moving really much like how BTC has been moving. So whenever we see BTC move that big, then ETH is gonna have a little push as well, and I haven't seen the push in ETH as yet. So possibly the push could be coming up to the 7,478. That could be the push between today and tomorrow. That could be the push, breaking this triangle right here to the upside, and then hitting a resistance of 478. That's what we want to see next. So right now I believe that ETH, if you're gonna trade ETH, this will be the best time right now, because why I say that is because it done exactly what I was waiting for, which is it broke, hit a final level of support, a resistance, sorry, and then it came back down and touched the support, which is confirmation, went up and touch it again, 2 confirmations that it's finding a level of support right here. So don't know how long it's gonna take. It could be today or it could be tomorrow that it's gonna start shooting up. So this would be a perfect buy opportunity up to $478, and that's a nice percentage gain. Is that? That's a nice 3% with leverage. That's a very good buy right there. So that's my outlook on the charts today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, guys. Continue to follow me for my daily updates, and also check out my other videos as well on the news of the day. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment in the box. Let me know if you agree, or let me know if you disagree. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next video.